report writing. How a report must be written or how a report must be. So let us try to know. A report is an authentic account of an incident, because report is an authentic account of any incident, of an event, and it presents detailed information. Okay, report, it represents detailed information, means it gives all the information in detail about a topic, and we use all the facts from the related sources. The person who prepares the newspaper report, okay, the person who is going to prepare any report of a newspaper report, he must have a clear idea. He must know very well that what kind of report he is going to prepare about that particular subject, the receiver and the purpose of the report. So all the important questions that come to our mind when we think of the situation at that time, whatever we are thinking, all the questions should be answered of that particular situation at the time of writing a report. For example, what happened, where happened, when happened, why happened, or how happened. All these types of questions should be answered very well through that report writing in the first paragraph. At the time of writing a report of an event as seminar, conference, information about chief guest, okay, you can make a report or you can be asked to make a report of even the information about chief guest, participants, and details of items is written very clearly, so that there could not be produced any kind of question. An ideal report should present the necessary information. How or what report will be called an ideal report? That presents all the important information, all the inevitable information as clearly as may be possible. So it should include only the most relevant information, means you should avoid all the irrelevant information, but you should focus only on the important or necessary information. And it should be well structured. The structure of a report must be well structured. It must be well organized, beginning with a suitable, clear and catchy heading, and the heading must be very catchy. The beginning, you should begin with a very suitable heading, with a very suitable title, and it must be very clear that what you want to tell, what you want to say, or what you want to present through your report. So all the information, all the important information must be collected there, must be put in that report. So it is written in several paragraphs, each dealings with only one aspect of the subject. All the different headings must have different kinds of information, and there should not be a messy heading or messy fact. At last, the impact of the event on the life of the people is also mentioned in brief. So you should try to present the things in brief more and more, the event on the life of people, whatever you want to say. So there are general rules for newspaper report writing. Just have a look one by one so that you may make your report better and better. The very first rule is the general rule. The report should have a suitable, clear and catchy heading, okay. As you have been told, the place and date of the report are given at the top. The report should be divided into short paragraphs. The most important points are brought out in the first paragraph, okay. And the average short report is written only in or within 200 words according to the situation, according to your topic. It must not be very lengthy. Only within 200 words you must try to present each and everything of your information. A report does not express emotions or feelings, means a report must be completely formal, objective or emotionless, feelingless. We can say that it must be impersonal. You should not attach or you should not add your emotions, your ideas, your own thoughts. No, because it must be very personal. You must be impartial at the time of making a report. So, a report does not express emotions or feelings, personal opinion or your personal thought or your impressions. What you think, what you feel, what kind of impression you have in your mind personally, that should never be expressed through your report if you want to be a good reporter. It describes only facts, only information must be your purpose, to provide or to impart information. A report is generally written in past tense because the incident or the event has taken place. So, it is written in past tense. First person pronouns I and we should not be used in writing report. Okay, means a report must not be written in first person I or we should not be used at the time of writing a report, means a report must be written in third person. The last one, it should not leave any query behind. It should not leave any query behind. There must not be any question in the mind of listener or at the end of your presenting report. Leave any query behind. The query just like this: what happened, where, when, why and how. All these kinds of questions must not be there. So, this was the general rules for newspaper report writing.